In case if you have clicked on this video, that means you truly want to improve your spoken English skills. Today in this video, we will be talking about an amazing app that is so simple to use and is very effective. This is not a sponsored video. I was searching for a lot of apps and have gone through a lot of them, but trust me, this is the best one that I have found. Let's have a look on the working of this app. The app name is Spoken English in 10 days. If you have to install this app, you need to go to Play Store. You need to type Spoken English in 10 days. It's already in my search list. I just need to click on it. So you will be getting install option. Now let's go to its one of the main feature, that is it's fully offline. That means even if we don't have internet connection, we can enjoy the app. We can access its content. Here more than 500k plus downloads are there and it has got a rating of 4.4 star. People has given reviews like tenses are very well defined, each and everything is explained in very easy way. I just love it, easy to understand and very excellent work. Again, I searched more app, finally get it the wonderful app. This is best to speak and practice. This is the best app. So let's access its content. I'll just switch off my internet connection. The first thing is its interface. Its interface is very clean. It hasn't any messy part and it has a lot of sections like tense, auxiliary verb, introductory, conjunction, preposition, asking questions, conversation. So let's go one by one. If I go in this tense section, here you can see a lot of tenses are covered and each tense is covered with examples. So if I go in present indefinite tense, the structure is given and examples are also given. The same is done for negative. Then for negative, interrogative. If I click on this past continuous tense, again the structure is given and all the examples are covered. I was reading English attentively. They were watching drama on TV at that moment. One of the more nice feature of this app is that whatever examples are given in this app, that is something that we use on our day-to-day basis. It's not that those examples are rarely used. So if you access all the examples, if you go through the examples, you will find it very useful and you can use it in your day-to-day life. If I go in this preposition section, here again a lot of subsections are given. If I click on this particular, then the preposition word is given about and all the examples that can be with this word are given. Away, keep it away, take it away, do it right away, don't laugh away it, she was muttering away. If I have to look that how preposition over is used, then I can see glance over it once, please ask her over, you will get over, overcome, I was aching all over, over against, she knows all about me. If I go in this asking question part, then if I have to see that how who is used, who does this book belong to, who did you speak to, who did that. If I have to see how this shall and will is used, I can go, shall I heat the milk, will you please shut up, shall I drop you. So a lot of subsections are given. Whatever you want, you can access it, and the example is also given to make it easily understandable. If I go in this asking question answer, which, so they have asked the question and they have also given the answer. Which picture do you prefer, this one or that one? I want the grey one. Which flat did you buy? The one with the best view, of course. The interesting part is its dialogue. So here, if I go in this particular section, a lot of dialogues are given based on the condition. So a dialogue between two girls about a patient. Then some dialogue about going to abroad, checking in, booking a flight, which is the cheapest, when do you want to travel, would you like a return ticket. Everything that we use in our day-to-day life. If I go on this conversation part, a lot of conversations are given. Have you eaten anything unusual lately? No, not that I remember. If I go in this short speech section, then again the same thing. Yes, there is, maybe not. No, I turned 9 off. I have had pizza. I was afraid of that. Everything that we use in our day-to-day life, those examples are given. So one thing I can assure you, that if you go through this app and if you go through its example, you can use it on your day-to-day basis and you can improve your spoken English. I would like to introduce myself. So I am an English trainer and I do provide one-to-one training. Also, I conduct free spoken English class on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in my Spoken FB group for free. You can join that group. The link is in the description. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.